What up guys, welcome to Frank's Plake. Stopped by here today to check on his progress. He's building a really cool shop for all his toys and also wanted to check his pool chemistry for him. So we love building big, crazy, extravagant pools, but when the dust settles, you have to maintain it. The nice thing is that we work all over the country and Leslie's is in 38 states. So it's nice to know there's one place you can go for all your pool chemistry. They have everything you need to maintain your pools. If you want to go have fun, put a bunch of crazy floats, they have that too. Let's go ahead and give Leslie's a complete pool test kit a little try and see how Frank's doing with maintaining his pool chemistry. There's instructions right in here, which makes it really easy. So I'm gonna fill this up to 44, okay, right there. And then add 5 drops of R004, it's that easy. You know, I build all these crazy pools, but I'm never the one to have to maintain it. If I was a real pool maintenance guy, I wouldn't have to read the instructions, but let's see what we got here. The chlorine looks a little high, but it's still in the safe range, so we definitely don't need to add any more. The great thing about Leslie's is if you don't want to do the testing yourself, you can go ahead and bring a sample of water to them. They'll test it, you tell them how many gallons of water you have, and they'll sell you all the chemicals you need to go home and get your pool looking nice and clear like Frankie's. So if you bring some broken equipment, maybe there's a pool pump not working or your salt generator or something like that, they'll look at it, diagnose it for free. They have all the parts and expertise to fix anything that goes wrong with your pool. They got it all. So inside, I hear they have some crazy plans. So what's up, Frank?
Oh, there he is. Oh,
dude, what's going on with all this planks?
Oh man, Dirty's out here. He's doing this thing, man.
Nice. Where are you putting all the wood?
We're doing this whole entire garage fawn wood.
No way.
Yeah, fawn plank wood.
Dude, imagine all the walls, like all different colored crazy wood. That's gonna look so cool.
All live edge.
What are you doing? Do you have to cut the live edge off? Because it's not gonna, are you gonna overlap
We're
it?
gonna probably overlap the live edge around the windows and doors and whatnot. Just be the whole back wall behind the car lift and everything. It's gonna be sweet. What's up, bud? Oh my God, look at this, a sweet shark tooth. Sweet, dude, buddy.
You know what you should do? You should give this to Crash. It would fill that gap he has. Hey, Crash, I got a shark's tooth. You better watch out, I'm gonna fight ya.
Nice job. Where'd you find it?
I found it in the back. It's kind of like watered down so you can see the shells. And I just walked by and I saw it.
That's like the perfect shot.
You could make a cool like knife or like a spear with it.
Yeah.
Here, let me see. Let me see if it.
Keep digging around.
Seriously, next time Crash comes over, tell him you got a
Hey,
tooth.
Crash, I got a filling.
Yeah.
I got the buggy all ready for Windrock.
Yeah, we need some off-road tires.
Listen, man, I got the off-road tires in Tennessee. Look, I put these bad boys on there.
Oh yeah,
For the
yeah, you
trip.
need that.
Little rock rails.
Nice. So guys, you heard it from Frankie. We're going up to Windrock, Tennessee. Everyone in our company, plus some of our friends, family, and subcontractors heading up there. Gonna have a blast. So stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be mayhem. We're doing a total takeover. There's like
62 people coming up there. Like,
62 people.
you rented all the cabins. They rented all the side-by-sides, all the four-wheelers.
Oh man.
Right,
See you at Windrock.
All right, bud.
Cool, man. Thanks to Leslie's and Frankie for doing a great job keeping the pool clean. Hey guys, the pool's safe. Let's go swimming.